Say, that's great, because I know a song about the letter A. Now, whenever you hear a word that begins with this sound, you'll know that that's a word that begins with the letter A. So everybody listen very carefully and see how many A words you can hear. Alligators and acrobats, antelopes and alley cats. Those are words that begin with an A sound. Animals living in the zoo, the alphabet and an apple too. Those are words that begin with an A sound. And if by chance it happens your name is Alice, or Anne or Albert, then you can say to everybody, my name is Alice, Anne or Albert, and my name begins with the sound of the letter A. Hey, look at that tiny little bug down there. Hey, what kind of a bug are you? An ant. Oh, how about that? Ant begins with the sound of the letter A. What's your name, Ant? Abercrombie. Abercrombie begins with an A sound, too. And if by chance it happens your name is Al,